Are you a tech-savvy student looking to turbocharge your career? Intern Forage has exciting news for you. We're thrilled to unveil 4 cutting-edge internship programs that will propel you to the top of the tech industry. First up, we have Advanced Web Technologies, AWT, where you'll dive deep into the latest web development trends and techniques. Next, immerse yourself in the world of Python with machine learning, a must-have skill in today's data-driven world. If you're passionate about creating seamless user experiences, our full-stack web development internship is perfect for you. And for those interested in cloud computing, our AWS Cloud Computing program will equip you with the skills needed to excel in this rapidly growing field. At Intern Forage, we don't just offer internships, we provide hands-on experience, mentorship, and personalized learning to ensure your success. Join us today and kickstart your journey to a thriving tech career. Don't miss out on these unparalleled opportunities to gain industry-relevant skills and experience. The tech world is waiting for you to make your mark. Sign up now and let's conquer the job market together.